Brother ScanNCut. Jackie, why do we love this machine, and why are we so excited to be able to carry it?
Well, I don't even have words. I can't even, I mean, I have had so much fun.
Yeah.
It's not only for paper crafting, it's for fabric, it's for, I mean, there's so many.
Cork, felt, you name it, all the things.
Yes, and I cannot wait. Vinyl, as we cut out our things.
We made our own shirts.
Yes. And that's what I'm a really, when it comes to paper and this kind of stuff, I'm kind of a geek.
Kind of, yeah.
Absolute geek.
Yes, exactly.
So I'm going to kind of show you how you do this. So you'll go in, you'll retrieve the data. So this has the A, B, and the D on it. Can you see that? I'm moving the letters.
Uh-huh.
Okay, now I do not want this banner right here.
Okay.
I want to get rid of it. So I'm gonna click on that, and I'm going to
use the trash can.
Edit, and I'm going to go bloop, and okay to delete the selected data, and I'm going to say yes.
Just like the pumpkin.
There it is.
Okay.
It's gone. It's out there. Now I can add more letters to get use as many as I can, so I don't have to waste paper.
Right.
Okay, so then all I have to do is push OK, and push OK again. All right, now here's where I just need to press cut.
Yeah.
But there is something.
You need to load it.
You have to load it.
Yeah.
So let me hurry and let's show you how to do that. They come with this plastic sheet. Make sure you take this off before. And with the Brother DX models, there is a right and a wrong way for you to load your. So up here in the corner is where the zeros are, and there's a triangle right here. This is where I want to load it. So I'm going to load my paper. Now see, look, this is where all the fun decisions are.
Yes.
Which way do you want to go?
I don't know.
Some of them, especially with your lettering.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you're doing lettering, I would go the other side.
Yes. So I'm going to lay this down, and it's tacky. Then you can use your brayer, and you can, just like you're rolling out dough, and then now you're ready to load this into your machine.
Yes.
All right, now there is a little edge right here, so I'm going to butt that up against there, and I'm going to, with my hands, I'm going to push this button right here and watch.
Yes.
So I'm going to push the word start.
Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
Oh, I love it. Yes.
Yes.
There you go.
Okay, so now it's just cutting, and it will just take a couple minutes to cut, and once it's done, okay, then I go ahead and I unload my mat, but then I'm going to show you.
Okay, let's see the magic.
Dun, da, da, da.
It comes with a little spatula, but these are added accessories.
Yes.
So there's a pick and a spatula, which I love this spatula. So now I'm just going to carefully.
It's like baking cookies. Jackie, do you remember that one time on Three Things Live when we baked cookies?
I know.
Oh boy.
That was so
I do remember that.
And so now I'm just going to carefully, ooh, I love the sound. A sound of happiness.
That's right. And always be so careful about which mat you choose, because we don't want anything too sticky, or else that's not coming up, right?
So now I could just basically throw this away.
You know what? Yeah.
Or you could save the pieces.
Exactly.
Then you would really get a great stash of paper. And I'm going to take, and I'll use my pick to take out the centers of the peas. And kind of, it's like weeding is the term, right? And
look how nice those letters
but
look.
Isn't that the coolest?
Wow. And like you
thing?
said, you could do the same thing with fabric, and
the
then
funnest.
you can take it to the embroidery machine.
Yes.
And then stitch.
Because you can actually turn this into embroidery stitches.
Oh my goodness.
So fun.
It's so much fun.
Okay, I'll tell you, this is just.
We just jumped down the rabbit hole.
I did.
Rabbit hole.
Yes, I did.
I'm late for a very important date.
I think it's supercalifragilistic. Just saying.